Hello and welcome to the channel, Easy Digital Art. In today's course, it's the second one in the series, Level Up Your Office Shapes. I'm going to show you how to draw a lightning bolt. Let's begin. We go to Insert, Shapes, and under Basic Shapes, we choose the lightning bolt. The second step is we go into shape format. So I'm just going to right click on the shape here, and it opens up Format Shape. Thanks for the message. You can also go into shape format and click here. It'll also open up the format shapes. So let's go and start making changes. We'll go to 3D format in the second icon and select the first bevel, which is the rounded one. And I'm going to put a width of 23 and a height of 24. You can see it taking shape. I'm going to give some depth, very little, but it'll be there. And that's going to be 25.5. And for material, I'm going to choose the dark edge. And for lighting, the soft. And I'm going to give it an angle of 10. For the rotation, I'm going to give it 10 degrees. Now for the fill, you can use a pattern fill as well, but I'm just going to use a solid fill here and make it yellow. And that's it. Thanks for watching.